Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Fun Art connected by me Firdausi. In my last video I show how to draw mandolin art and which was especially designed for mothers. But now this time in this video I will show how to draw the watercolor, and this video is specially designed for the children which is from 5 to 8 years old. So let's go to my drawing table and I will teach them how to draw the watercolor from the very basic. So just come and follow me. So viewers, let's come to my drawing table. First of all, I take some water, a color palette, a copybook like this. I'm just turning over this copybook, and this copybook, you see, this copybook is specially designed for watercolor paper. So whenever you will take a copybook for your children watercolor class, definitely you must choose special type of paper like this. This is the watercolor paper. Now you will take a folder of the brushes like this, and just keep in mind they need different types of brushes. So 0 point to 12 point, you will take at least 12 brushes along with a toothbrush. Toothbrush is required for special effect of the watercolor. And this is the watercolor box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 into 2, that means 24 colors I took here. Now I'm going to teach you, your children, how to draw especially the rose. Rose is the most important and very difficult for children initial stage with the watercolor. So whenever they will start the painting of rose, they will just give some bud, the rose bud like this. See, I draw a rose bud and it's done. The rose bud is very easy, but just to concentration, your child has to be concentrated on it. Then wash just the brush. Again, give some green here. You have to take some green from here, mix it here, and again you will go to your drawing and see a rose, a very tiny rose bud. It's actually not the rose, it's a rose bud, and it's done. Again, and it's done. See, it's a very tiny and it's very nice. Look at this. This is a sort of rose. Now I'm going to teach your child another flower which is actually everybody calls, that is the sunflower. The sunflower in the middle is just a touch, and in this way. See, the sunflower is okay. Then again, clean the brush, just soak the brush on the newspaper like this, and take another color like some sort of yellow ochre color. I'm taking the yellow ochre from here and bring it here, smash it here, and just a soft touch, just a soft touch. I'm giving this the soft touch of the sunflower here. See, these are the sunflowers. Again, some color I'm taking, see? And in the middle again. See, the sunflower is coming out very gently and lovely. And in the middle, whenever sunflower blooms, you will see some small seeds inside or the center point of the sunflower. So this is the center point of sunflower for the seeds and the everything. That's all. Then again you wash it and go for the stem and the leaf. See, here is the stem, and sunflowers flower a little bit, there are some thorny like this. Okay, it's done. Look at this, beautiful, right? Then you can add some light and shade here with it. See? Okay, then here. So your sunflower is also done. There is a rosebud, this is a sunflower. Now I'm going to have some lavenders here. So lavender has some purple feel, so I'm taking some purple color, mix it here. Whenever you take color, you must mix it here in the another palette so that it mix well with water. Now I have some water here, I took the water from there, and this is the lavender, see? This is the lavender. Did you see the lavender flower? If you see the lavender flower, you find the lavender flower is like this. This is the lavender flower actually. It's very soothing. Okay. So if you want to give a dark stroke of the lavender color, then with this purple you can use some black and make it darker and give a very nice touch of the lavender. See, I'm giving the nice touch of lavender, which is very soothing for eye even. So this is also lavender color. You can make a bunch of the lavender here. So see, this is the way you have to teach your child how to make flowers. Okay, watercolor. One more thing, I'm just making it a little bit detailing right now of this thing. Yes, it is still not dry. It would be best if you work on dry thing. So this bird is also dry. Now you can work on it. See, it's very distinct. Now whenever you come to be here, you can also make some distinct and detail of the flower. Very nice and very realistic. See, but make sure it's dry. If it is not dry, then it will not come up. I'm trying to make it come up with its real feel. Okay, so sunflower, rose and lavender. Now I'm gonna teach your children some more things, which is we call, say, a little house, a village house like this. See, very little amount of color but mostly water, as it is said the watercolor. So in that case the amount of water will be more and the color will be less. So let it dry. Until and unless it is not dry, you cannot give a good shape to it. Till then we go to work on the lavender, I think. Oh no, lavender is also not dry. Here the water level is a very okay. So in that case we can do work here, over here. See, soft touch. You have to do a very soft touch. I'm again coming back to this house. See, it's a village house. In Bangla we say matir ghor or equivalent. Okay, so we can take some black and make a door like this on the window, and see, it's a very nice and soft and soothing matir ghor, what we call the house of clay. This house is made of clay. So this is the way. Then see, for example, you can also teach your children, or your children can by themselves draw some distant village. This village is distant, not nearby, here, like this. Okay, then they can do it in this way too. And they can also, give some sky wash here. See, I'm giving some sky wash. See? This is the sky wash actually. So we draw a rosebud here, sunflower and lavender, and lastly we draw some house, green, village and sky. So if you want to do the detailing of this house, you have to check first whether it is dry or not. If it is not dry, then if you in the second time you give it the color, the color will be spread, because due to this is not dry even. So after that, just we have to wait for the dryness, then we will come for the final touch. So I in this page I did do the detail of the sunflower, and see, this is a very nice picture of a house of clay with a very distant village and the landscape. So in this way you can teach your child of the watercolor. So watercolor is very easy and fun. See, the rosebud is very nice, very soft, the lavender and the sunflower, as well as this is the village scenario. So you can teach the our viewers who are staying in the the abroad, so you can teach your child this sort of village scenario, so they will have a very clear idea about Bangladeshi village. This is the scenario of the Bangladeshi village, and this is the touch, how you will do this touch of the lavender, of the sunflower or the rose. I taught your children via this video here. So I think this will be really helpful for mother and the children of to know how to do the basic watercolor with some amount of colors. See, I just use here the green and the red, yellow ochre, purple, green, and here mostly the yellow ochre and the green. So I think, see, I'm just keeping my picture here and give a snapshot, and I think you guys will love it. It's very nice, very beautiful. So till then, I'm going to have my conclusion word. So viewers, already you have shown that how the watercolor in a very easy and very short time you can teach your children. So I think, I strongly believe that this tutorial will help you to teach your children how to do the watercolor within a very short period of time. Till then, I like to say you tata, bye bye, ciao, and stay tuned, subscribe my channel, watch, and definitely share these channels to the potential mothers and to the potential children who really need that. So till then, thank you very much.